In this video, I'll be talking about logarithmic properties and how to find inverse functions, especially if your given function is exponential function. Then it is very important that you learn some basic ideas of logarithm so that you can solve the problem and find your inverse. We'll take a couple of examples and we'll try to make everything clear. See the examples. If we have natural log x squared times y, then you can separate like natural log x squared plus natural log of y, and then x squared will give you 2 natural log of x. So this is the first property using product rule and also the exponent. Now you have division with two terms here, they will be separated with a minus sign. And then if we have a common log, so the base and number same, so that's why it is 1. Natural log e to the 10, you can bring your 10 in front, and then natural log of e is 1, so that's why it is 10. But careful with this, if you have natural log of e and then whole exponent is 10, you cannot bring this 10 in front because it is not on the argument, it is on whole. So first we need to see if we can simplify natural log of e. We know natural log of e is 1, so it will be 1 to the 10, which is again 1. Now e to the natural log of 5 will give you just 5. Logarithm of 1000, base is 10 here. So 1000 is 10 to the 3. That's why your answer is 3. These are good to know. I will show you other type, that if you have a problem like 5 minus, say natural log of 4 minus x equals 0. How do you solve for x? So first of all, you subtract 5 both sides. You get natural log of 4 minus x is negative 5. Then you can cancel the negative from both sides by division. And now this one is telling you 4 minus x is e to the 5. This is the conversion from logarithm to exponent. Now from here you can solve your x, which will give you 4 minus e to the 5, and we are done. So I'm going to other part. So in this example, we are given an exponential function 8 minus 5 e to the x. We need to find the inverse of the function. So many of you already know from pre-calculus or algebra, there are a few steps to find the inverse. So first we write y equals 8 minus 5 e to the x, whatever is given. Now we switch variables. X equals 8 minus 5 e to the y. Now since we are solving for y, let's isolate y. So this is the term, we need to bring it in the left side, which is 5 e to the y equals 8 minus x. And then e to the y will be 8 minus x over 5. Now we need to find y. So this is the conversion from exponential function to logarithmic. And we know that y will be natural log of 8 minus x over 5. You can leave it here, or if you want, you can further simplify. Say that it is 8 minus x minus natural log of 5, and that is your inverse. And we are done. So I'm giving you one quick link here, that if you have logarithm x base p equals y, then the exponential form will be p to the y equals x. That means p has exponent y, that will give the answer x. That's why people say logarithm is an exponent. So y is the exponent and p is the base. So this one we have applied here to isolate y from e to the y.